There are places you visit and places you connect with.
An island shaped by nature, defined by resilience. In Dominica, the future is not imagined, it is built with purpose. A nation committed to sustainability and to protecting what matters most.
Here, resilience is more than a vision, it is a way of life. From its people, to its environment, to its global outlook, Dominica offers more than opportunity. It offers belonging. A place where global citizens connect with something greater. Because true value is not just where you go, but what you become part of. Discover Dominica.